Hi, I'm Austin Callison with Hayden Outdoors Real Estate. Today we're at our listing at Birch Creek Ranch, which is just 20 minutes outside of Idaho Falls and about an hour from Jackson Hole, Wyoming. So one of the really nice things about Birch Creek Ranch is the South Fork of the Snake River is 20 minutes away from here. So somebody could be able to enjoy their beautiful lot up in the mountains and be on the river in 20 minutes. This is a very unique development that sits up in the foothills, and you can see some of the topography behind me. But the 1,400 acres is comprised of 30 different lots that range anywhere from 30 to 120 acres. And part of the property is paved. There's power to every one of the lots. Very exclusive feeling up in here. So once owners buy these lots individually, they'll expect to have really nice privacy, phenomenal views looking back across the valley. So you're not going to be right next to your neighbors. There's a ton of wildlife up in here. There's elk, deer, there's resident moose that live in here. The nice thing about this is the roads will be county maintained as well once houses start getting built in here. If you're looking for an exclusive opportunity to own a large development and make some really good money off of your investment, you should take a look at this development that we have just outside of Idaho Falls.
For more information or private qualified showing, please call Austin Callison today at 208-870-1757.